Good morning everyone, this is Kriti Shah from Derivative Desk, Axis Securities. I brief you about the yesterday's activity. In the yesterday's session, before RBI policy, we have witnessed significant OI built up and the movement on this negative side. However, towards the end of the session, we have witnessed significant buying in the Nifty, and towards the end of the session, Nifty future closed at 8796.35, increased by 0.12%, and that's the increase in OI, that's to the tune of 1.24%. That's indicate the long build up. Nifty future closed with 27 point premium compared to previous session of 17 point. Moving to the FI, there was seller of 498 crores in derivative segment. There were buyer of 603 crores in index future. There was seller of 258 crores in index option, and there was seller of 797 crores in stock future. VIX is quoting at 13.35. The ATM call IVs come up to 11.34 and the put IVs decreased to 11.36. As of now, the call and put IVs are quoting at the parity, whereas the VIX is quoting at the lower level. The put call ratio decreased to 0.87 and the overall PCR is at 0.83. From the VIX and PCR, we can inference that even though the Nifty is well above the support level, still the buying is witnessed in the index future, as well as the significant buying is witnessed in the stock future, and that suggests the strong support at the lower level, and the buying may continue at the every dip. Moving to the Nifty specific option, the 8500 to 9000 above 8800 level is the new range for the Nifty for the current series, and in the yesterday session 7600, 7700, all this put, the deep OTM put has witnessed a Y built up. On a higher side, 9100, 9200, all this call has witnessed a significant OI built up in terms of the writing. On the ATM put side, we have witnessed OI built up, and it may be suggest as the buying to hedge the entire positions. Moving to the stock specific activity, in the yesterday session, Bata India, Ajanta Pharma, Power Grid and Cipla has witnessed long build up and can trade with a positive bias, whereas NTPC, Jet Airways, Tata Steel and Siemens has witnessed short build up and can trade with a negative bias. That's overall activity into derivative. Thanks a lot.